Welcome to Inside Mortgages this week for Monday, June the 4th. Today I'm going to go over some statistics that were reported in CAMP's Spring Mortgage Report. CAMP being the Canadian Association of Accredited Mortgage Professionals. That's a member, I'm a part of that. It is a very good association where you will find most of your mortgage agents. So I'm basically going to run off some statistics that I thought were pretty impressive that you might not know about the housing industry. So it won't just be about the housing industry in Ottawa, it's going to be about Canada. So total value of owner-occupied housing right now in Canada, $3.48 trillion. The outstanding mortgages in Canada, $1.15 trillion. That's why it's such a big industry, and that's why it's heavily regulated these days. The number of households without mortgages right now is coming in at 3.75 million. The average mortgage outstanding, 170,000. Total home purchases in 2011 in Canada, 750,000, which is a substantial amount. Households with both mortgage and HELOCs, which is the home equity line of credit, 2 million households. The average home equity line of credit size, $58,000. Homeowners with, this is a statistic I thought that was quite interesting. Homeowners with 25% or more equity, 83%. So that's why they're saying that Canadians can handle if there is a drop in, or there is an increase in the interest rates, or there's a drop in housing rate. We are really 25% or more equity, 83%, substantial amount. 18% of mortgage holders took out equity in the last year. The average takeout being $43,500. The total amount of equity takeout was $29 billion through mortgages, so through refinancing, $16 million through the home equity lines of credit. The top uses were for renovations, $17 billion, and investments, $10 billion. Rate choices, so if you really want to compare to what other people got with their rates, 65% of people getting mortgages last year went with fixed rates versus 29% for variable. Here's another interesting statistic. This is why you go with a mortgage professional like myself. They found that 100,000 variable rate holders are unaware that they have the option to lock in their rates at any time. So if you go with the 5-year variable, in the 4th year, like right now, the rates are so low for the 4-year, you want to fix, lock in before interest rates rise. Right now we have specials at around 2.99, 3.09. You can lock in, depending with which lender you go with. In terms of amortization, 25% of mortgagers have amortizations over 25 years. 40% of mortgages in 2011 to right now are over 25-year amortization, so 40% over 25 years. Payments, $55 billion were paid towards principal in 2011. 23% of people with mortgages increased their monthly payments last year. 60% of people have never increased their monthly payments. 19% of people made lump sum payments towards their mortgages. 67% have never. Average lump sum, you're looking at about $12,500. Use of mortgage representatives, so going with a mortgage broker versus going with a financial institution. I used to work at a financial institution. 50% still went with the bank. That was up 1%. 31% were closed by brokers. So we want to see that number go up. So those were just a few of the statistics of the spring mortgage report. I will update you on the summer one going forward, but those were some substantially large numbers. Some interesting numbers coming out this week. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., the Bank of Canada is announcing its decision whether to lower it or raise its overnight lending rate. It's at 1% right now. We're not looking at it to be increased. It's expected to stay the same, but we want to hear what Mark Carney has to say about everything going on in the economic realm. On Friday at 8:15 in the morning, we're going to release the housing starts for May. Prediction is 216,000. I'm predicting it's going to be over that. Anyways, that's it for now this week. Thank you very much for listening. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the open houses coming up. There is great great homes in Ottawa that are available. The condo market is softening a fair bit, so you're looking at more value in the condo market. If you need any help at all, please do not hesitate to contact me at any time. I'd be more than happy to help out with you. So in that case, have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.